having kids play chess from.
Na mkungine kwamba mipango imekamilika kwa mashindano ya magari ya wikendi hii mjini Thika. Madereva wamekuwa wakiandaa mashine zao kwa mashindano haya na madereva hao wameapa kutoa upinzani mkali katika awamu hii ya magari.
At the moment, after every rally, we actually strip down the car, look at what needs to be done. When we stripped down the car this time, our rear suspension had actually gone, so we've had the rear suspension rebuilt, and we've looked at the rest of the suspension, put everything back together. We are going for a test drive later today. For Team Goa, the best part so far has been building new friends, meeting new people, learning how the rallying scene works, and also just the participation in the two-wheel drive category, and we've actually managed to finish 3 out of the 4 rallies that we've done on our side.
Of course, the challenges are vary from event to event, but the main challenge would be when the car fails you with some problem that was unforeseen. Then of course you're forced to retire, and that of course then you don't score points in that event. Now that we are lying second with only 2 events remaining for the season, we have to make sure that the car is reliable so that at least we can finish the event and score some points towards our...
Na hatimaye timu ya taifa ya soka Harambee Stars ilitoa ushindi wake wa kwanza katika michuano ya kufuzu kwa kombe la dunia ukanda huu wa